Alright, we're here at a local hardware store to get some pieces so we can plumb this into our black tank. So we won't have to change out the little P tank. Don't want to risk spillage. So now we go inside.
Let's go.
You got everything?
Yeah, it's in my purse.
How much was the damage?
$51.69. So we just bought a hose, a stopper, a ball valve, clamps, and concrete. Now you put your finger over it.
It's stuck. Can I have
The bucket. You want to do this one? Just continue turning it off. Back in the house we go. Let's get it.
No, it was supposed to be the other side. Yes.
Okay, so you want it like this, and then the valve will be sitting on the floor. I think we should actually do it on this side of it as well. And then come around that way. Or were you going like underneath, like through the wood? I think I would rather it on the outside. All right.
You want to make sure you do this only hand tight until you're fully installed.
We're gonna pipe dope this one, right? This one.
Yeah. Yes.
That's cool. What you got, babe?
I think we can make this work.
Yeah. All right, let's take it.
Yeah, and then there we go.
Yeah.
I'm doing this thing.
That's not pretty.
Don't know what it is.
All right. That was good. You know what else I see? Buckets. Right here, underneath this table.
Oh.
They're $2. What? You want me to cover you?
No, hold on.
I remember a time where you would have never done something like this.
All right, so this is the final product from the Goodwill and Lowe's parking lot.
Yes.
Smell the freshness.
Okay. So we made this piece, which is, I don't know exactly how long this is, but I measured it from my ankle to my hip. This hose will go into the stopper.
Okay.
Okay. And from the thigh hose, we have
It's a brass ballpoint
shut up.
shut up valve. So we did that so the smell from the the number ones won't come back up the pipe.
And it shouldn't come back up, but
Just to be sure.
right. Then our ball valve goes up to
A brass 1 inch tapered to I think it's
this is the 1 inch.
and then 3/8 tubing.
Now the reason why we have this piece of so if you mistakenly don't close the open this, then your number ones will have somewhere to go and not flow up through the top hole. And I'll show you the top hole. Flow up through those two holes right there. So this is the only kind of toilet where your number ones has 2 holes and your number 2s have 1 hole.
Oh, it's a nice skirt.
All right, let's get to installing.
We use Gorilla Tape to hold the brackets in place. Then we remove the toilet, drew out our screw holes, remove the bracket, then we drilled the pilot holes, and then using the screws that came with the toilet, we reassembled the brackets.
Got our nature's head installed, and we need to fill the base of it. So, not to let anything go to waste, I'm using the old porcelain toilet as a table. Okay, so for starters, I got my peat moss. Directions aren't 100% clear, but it's like a 2-to-1, so I don't want to go all willy-nilly with it. Now, in my mind, I'm going to do 2 of these. Next time I go to the Dollar Tree, I'll be sure to get better supplies. Crazy enough, when we were downsizing, I got rid of all my gardening tools. Okay. So this is 1. Okay. 2. just did a 2-to-1. Looks just like how I see everybody else's. There we go. Looks pretty good. I don't think I made enough. Let's see. According to the directions, it says this looks good to me. Let's go pour it in. Okay, so after dumping out my cookie can full, I came up a little bit short. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more.
We recommend dual markouts before you cut out the center hole in the bottom and the channel in the top layer. We use the 2 existing toilet anchors to fasten the bottom layer of the platform. Then we use 3 screws to fasten the top layer to the bottom layer of the platform. Use the same Gorilla Tape method to mount the brackets.